Hello and welcome, guys, and welcome to yet another vlog. And yes, when the exams are around the corner, it's obvious that you will panic. It's obvious that you will feel that time is short, and it's very obvious that you will feel that the course is vast. In this small video, I am here with the one and only Abhishek Kaushik sir, who teaches exclusively to CMA students. And guys, today we are going to talk about one of the very important subjects, strategic financial management. I know the subject is vast, I know the subject is huge. So without taking much of your time, let us come on to the point. Abhishek sir, first of all, welcome to our channel and thank you so much for taking out time for this channel. Sir, all the subscribers are eager to know, according to you, what are those primary key chapters in this subject SFM which we should revise thoroughly before appearing in December 2019 exams and which will hold good weightage in the examination?
If a student can cover 4 chapters, I'm sure that they will score more than 60.
Wow.
And even they can score up to 80% marks.
Wow.
So 4 chapters: portfolio, forex, foreign exchange management, and derivative, and fourth one is capital budgeting. Capital budgeting, I'm sure in capital budgeting that they can secure 10 to 15 marks randomly, even if not going by in-depth study. So these 4 chapters, if a student can revise, then I'm sure they will score more than 50% marks. So, and so far as practice questions are concerned, they should not look at any book apart from study module prescribed by the institute. So they must go through each and every point, comma, question, each and everything prescribed in the study module given by the institute only. So that is the key only to crack the exam in coming December attempt.
Perfect, guys. So, sir, one more question. What is the role of RTPs which are released by the institute before the examination? Should we go through them? Should we put our time in them?
If a student has time, then they can surely look at RTPs. But my suggestion would be that they should not waste the time. Only they can refer the main study module. Most of the questions in RTP are from cut and paste from study module. Nothing new in RTP. So they should not waste their time. So just focus only on one book, and that is a study module.
Perfect.
So they will secure 60%.
Perfect. Guys, a very practical thought, a very practical suggestion by Abhishek sir. Because you have less time. If you had, say, 2 months or 3 months, we would have suggested you to go through RTPs, MTPs, workbooks thoroughly. But now when 15 days are left, focus all your energies on only and only study material. And by doing these 3 or 4 chapters, you'll be able to secure 60 marks. And that is what all we want. So, sir, thank you so much for taking out time and congratulations. All the best to all the students and happy studying.
For latest updates and information on entire CMA profession, just subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notification on the latest videos which are being uploaded on the channel. For products related to paper number 19, paper number 20 for final students and paper number 12 for intermediate students, log on to www.agrawallawhouse.com. It contains the compilation of handwritten notes, books, reference materials and video lectures of these 3 subjects. If you have any further query or you want to speak to me personally for any kind of counseling, you can call me at the number given on the screen.